Do you have keys?
No, yeah, we got keys right here.
Oh, wrong way. I think we're going hyperball.
He said rec and walk off.
Yeah,
He said everything.
You know, but usually it's like big game.
Oh yeah, I don't think that
because there's not enough people. Everyone's still setting up.
Yeah, and well, I think they're just calling everything. I don't think they're gonna separate games because there's not enough people.
Sweet.
We'll catch up later.
Okay. All right, guys. So this field is hyperball. The boundaries of this field. If you look over to your left, please stop shooting right now. Over to the left, you see the netting. On the far back side, the telephone poles. On the right side, the berm. And right here, these 3 spools. The refs are, or at least one of the refs are going to be standing on this side. Please don't go behind us on this side, okay? The rest of the boundaries, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just stay on the inside of the poles, all right? Any questions? No? All right. One team starting in the very back center over there. Other team starting in the very back center over there. Just elimination, okay?
Right on.
It looks.
It might be. I don't know.
Hey, buddy. You gotta start back over there. I don't know. It doesn't look cheap though. All right, so I'm just gonna hit this left thing right here.
All right, I'll follow your left.
I'll go. What thing? What are we talking about? That one?
Yeah, I'm gonna hit that.
Or I'm thinking progression, right? I'll go right, but I don't know where.
Ready? Ready. First game of the day.
There we go. There we go, dude.
Going left, they're going right.
I'm going right.
I'll go middle then.
I'll go right.
Okay. I'm just gonna start here and progress up somehow.
I'm gonna go far right to that bunker there and
Okay.
go from there.
Which one are you going to? That one?
The far one over there. The sprint.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go around here.
Oh yeah. I'll try to catch people off break then.
Yeah.
To prevent the right side, and then you can move up if nobody gets there.
Holler if you need cover.
Right on. Oh, come on! Right! Far right! I don't know how I did not get him. Kill one! Kill one! Yeah, I see him.
How far right is he? On the right wire. 50 on the right wire.
Is he the only one?
I don't know. How many did you got? What are we at? Kill one?
No, we're at like
Kill 3. Kill 3. I think that's last one. He might be last one. Right wire's out. What's left? Back center. Back center. I'm not sure. Back center.
This course is really short, so it's kind of easy.
Yeah, but it's wide, so if you can go wide, there's nice cross shots.
Yeah.
It's hard to go wide on the left. Yeah.
So we got 10 against 5?
What?
I'm down with that. No. Well, they know we have electros, so we're good. We're good.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yo, Rob, looks like you got company. I'll go left with these guys.
We got plenty on the right. I'm just gonna run straight to it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get wide then.
I'm gonna go here.
Going wide left.
Yeah.
Oh, they're spreading out. Spread out.
Spread out.
Spread out. Screw it. Oh, never mind. No, don't spread there.
We're just starting at the spool. We're supposed to start at the spool, dude.
So I'm gonna try to just lane here, and I'll try to cut them off. If anybody goes wide, then we'll. Yeah. If nobody goes wide, I'll lick it. Shit. One wide. One in the back center. Back center. 40 wire. 40 left wire. Kill 2. Kill 2. Kill 3. I don't see left side. You said left 40?
Yeah, it should be left 40. I still hear a gun coming up from over there.
I don't see left 40.
Still hot.
Back left still hot. Back left still hot. I don't see left 40. 2 back center still. Back center moved. Not sure where. What's active on the left?
Hey, what's that 50 push?
Center 50?
Back left still hot.
Back left still hot.
Back left on me.
My mirror's out. My mirror's out. Back left.
Back left hot. Back left on me.
Hey, I don't see left 40. I think left 40 is gone.
Yeah, there's still one gun on the left side now. Because I got fire coming in from my wire.
I got my mirror. I think that was it. I think back left is the last one on the left. Confirm.
Hey, back right. Back right.
Kill back right. Kill back right. 30, set it back, left 30. Left 30.
Hey, still back left.
My 11 o'clock, 2 at my 11 o'clock. Left 20. Back center. Back center's out. Back center's out. 2 left. 2 left 30. I see him. 2 left 30. Move up on the right.
Hey, get that. Move up on the right. Get that cross shot in.
Get that. Hey, shoot left, shoot left. 1 back center. 1 back center, 1 back left.
Cross it up and watch my wire, will you?
Left 40, left 40. Left 40, I thought he was out. Left 40. Back left. Back left. Kill on the center. Back left, back center. Back left, back center. Back center, back left. Back center, back left. Back center, back left. Back left's out, back left clear. Back center out. Back left only. Back left only. My mirror, look left. Right on.
Yeah, I just needed you to clear that back left so I could get out wide.
Yeah, no.
Out wide, I had that shot in on this 30 right here.
Yeah. Because there was 2 there, 1 there, and then 1 there, and that was it.
Yeah, because like I know early on you're like, oh, like I think we killed. I'm like, no, dude, I still hear at least 1 or 2 guns coming out this left side. So I was, because there was fire coming in from my wire, so I knew that they still had to be out there.